Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It's springtime, and we have these little plants that like to grow up through the limestone. I think they probably like sweet soil, and limestone kills the acid, counteracts it. So these plants seem to really enjoy growing in the limestone around the bushes in the front. So I come out here and I dig them up. And that's when I use this little tool the most. We borrowed this from my mother-in-law, I don't know, 1978, 79, to till our garden. And she said, well, I never use it, why don't you go ahead and keep it? So we did, and we've used it ever since. One of my favorite tools, because you don't have to bend over to do weeding. You can just take this thing and dig it up, pull the weed out of the ground, and pick it up and put it in the pile. Now, I've never gone through and restored this because I use it all the time. But I think this year I'm probably going to take it downstairs and put some blow on the handle, because it deserves it. It's worked hard. Doesn't take long. I got a few little ones left in there, but I'll get those with a blower. Got the leaves out from underneath the shrubbery. And I got a pile of stuff over there that's got to dry out, and I'll blow the pine needles off. Pine needles get in these pieces of limestone, and they're like burrs. But anyways, I got the belt in for the mower, so I'm going to go put that on. And maybe we'll get to pick up this stuff for the mower and I won't have to go get the cart. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.